You are God alone. There's only one God, my Jehovah. He's my provider. And you are God alone. You are God alone. You're not a God created by human hands. You are not a God dependent on any mortal man. You are not a God in need of anything we can give by your plans. And that's just the way it is. And you are God alone from before time began. You are on your throne. And you are God alone. And right now, in the good times and bad, you are on your throne. And you are God alone. You're the only God whose power say none can contend. You're the only God whose name and praises never end. You're the only God who's worthy of anything we can give. You are God, and that's just the way. And you are God alone from before time began. You are on your throne, and you are God alone. And right now, in the good times and bad, you are on your throne, and you are God alone. You're unchangeable, my God, you're unshakable, my God, you're unstoppable, my God, I say that's what you are. You're unchangeable, my God, you're unshakable, my God, you're unstoppable, my God, I say that's what you are. And you are God alone from before time began. You are on your throne, oh Lord, and you are God alone right now. And right now, in the good times and bad, you are on your throne, oh Lord, you are God alone. Delivering, the healing, omnipotent, omniscient, Rapha, Adonai, that's what you are. Delivering, the healing, omnipotent, omniscient, Rapha, Adonai, that's what you are. You are God alone from before time began. You are on your throne, and you are God alone. And right now, in the good times and bad, you are on your throne. You are God.